For years, the AP department at Ken's company struggled. Stacks and stacks of invoices came in from the mail, from email, online, and seemingly all at the end of the month when everything had to be rushed. Invoices were paid late, invoice entry errors constantly occurred, and suppliers were unhappy. Ken loved the work and really enjoyed the challenges, so he was especially excited when he was promoted. But as the new AP manager, it was now Ken's job to fix the problems. But he didn't know where to start. He couldn't stop the invoices from coming in. He didn't have the budget to hire more staff. And with the CEO talking about growing the company, Ken knew the problem wasn't going to get any easier. Ken started asking his suppliers to email invoices instead of mailing them, and that helped a little. But the invoices still had to be read, understood, matched and verified, which created bottlenecks. Ken knew he had a great team and they always worked hard, and he wanted to help his team become more productive, but he didn't have an easy way to track his team's performance. On top of all that, his vendors were complaining about the time it took just to get an invoice status. Ken realized he desperately needed to improve the company's AP process and better handle the backlog. His search for a solution brought him to Lexmark's AP automation solutions, and he discovered 5 ways they could help put his AP department on the path to more efficiency. With multi-channel invoice data capture, no matter how invoices came in the door, the automation solution funnels everything into one process with industry-leading data capture that can eliminate more than 90% of the manual effort in invoice entry, freeing up AP staff to do what's important. With best practice workflows for routing and approvals in a tool that's easy to use, Ken's team can improve their productivity. Using a self-service supplier portal, vendors are happy. Besides submitting invoices through the portal, they can now easily check invoice and payment status online. No more waiting, and Ken's AP team can spend less time fielding supplier inquiries and focus on more important tasks like ensuring invoices are paid on time. With advanced analytics, Ken now has full visibility of the AP process from capture to payment. He can view his AP team's performance metrics, statistics on overdue payables, and take advantage of early payment discounts. And of course, it integrates with multiple ERP systems, easily addressing any IT configuration. With their new AP automation solutions, Ken's department effectively reduced cycle times, made payments on time, and they were able to lower their invoice processing costs while doing so. Over 12,000 world-class organizations rely on Lexmark's AP automation solutions to increase process efficiency, boost their productivity, and improve their overall cost effectiveness. Now you know how you can bring value to your AP department. Like Ken, you too can become the transformation hero to your organization, wherever you are in the AP automation journey.